These ROM beds are almost self-explanatory, except a lot of times you don't have instructions. Okay, so first you got this piece. It's going to be 2 handlebars or 2 little brackets right here on either side, and nothing at the top. That's going to be the head of the bed. That's where the head part goes up. Okay. Now the hydraulic motor that controls that will be that one right there. It's going to connect to this frame right here. It leads to this. See that? See if I can get some light on it. Okay. Got the pin. Leads all the way down to that. Same way with the other one for the feet. Let's see if I can get this one all the way up.
Did you get it, buddy?
Okay. The smaller one of the 3 goes right here, right there in the middle. And it just connects just like that. The 3 brackets, those are what holds the bed in place. Okay. So that way the bed can go up and down with no problems. Focus. There we go. The control plug goes underneath right here. And the motor should be